Fi yw Ryan Peters a fi yw uwchswyddog ymgyrraedd yn ehangach, partneriaeth ymgyrraedd yn ehangach De Orllewin Cymru o fewn Brifysgol Cymru y Drindod Dewi Sant. So, bwriad i Ganu yn y bôn yw i datblygu'r iaith Gymraeg i ddysgwyr ym mlynyddoedd blwyddyn 5 a 6 yn ysgolion gynradd, i roi bach o hyder iddyn nhw a roi bach o flas ar gyfer sut beth ma fe i defnyddio'r Gymraeg tu fas i'r ysgol, pam ddylsyn nhw cario ymlaen gyda'r Gymraeg wrth symud ymlaen i ysgol uwchradd hefyd. A trwy defnyddio caneuon, mae'n jyst yn cyfleu a rhoi ffordd arall i nhw ddatblygu'r iaith Gymraeg yna.
I'm Anthony Stevenson, the head teacher at Penrhyn Primary School. Well, as a school, we're seeking to promote enjoyment of learning as much as anything, and one excellent opportunity to do that is through music and through the choir, where of course in addition to that we're also able to promote the Welsh language, which for our children is an excellent opportunity. Many of our children don't get an opportunity to even leave Llanelli, and certainly then an opportunity to visit somewhere like Eregin, to go to Carmarthen to see TV studios, to see that element of the Welsh culture as well is something that we can't do in school, can't do ourselves, and so to be able to promote it in this sort of context is a real great opportunity. So we're, I suppose, giving the children an opportunity to see something that they wouldn't know about, giving them aspirations to look forward to the things that they can do for the future.
My name is Connor and I go to Penrhyn School. Well, it feels really nice singing Welsh, and it's like, it doesn't get sung much, so yeah, it's a nice language to sing.
My name is Angelica and I go to Penrhyn. At first, when I came to this school, because I was from England, because at first when I came to this school I didn't know any Welsh at all, and now, like, they've taught me loads of Welsh, like in choir and in class, and I really like learning different languages.
So ni wedi bod yn defnyddio mynd trwy'r ganeuon, mynd trwy'r geiriau trwy gyfnod Cymraeg, a i fod yn deg iddyn nhw wrth bod ni'n mynd trwy'r geiriau, maen nhw wedi jobyn rili dda wrth ddweud y geiriau ar lafar. Ond beth sydd wedi datblygu dros yr wythnosau diwethaf sydd wedi bod yn lyflu i gweld yw'r Cymraeg sydd ddim efo yn y geiriau. Felly'r Cymraeg na, shwmai pawb heddi, gweithio nhw i fod yn dawel neu i ganu'n fwy uchel, llygad ar yr athrawes. Y pethau bach sydd ddim yn y caneuon sydd wedi gweld y Cymraeg yn datblygu sydd wedi bod yn gret.